Guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. It's so good to have you back. And we have a brand new sponsor today. Linkind provided us with their TV light strip. And I cannot wait to get this thing installed on the TV in this room right here and remove the standard light strip that's on it right now. This is the Linkind TV light strip right here, and the videos on how to install it we will provide you as well at the end of this video. But stay tuned today as we get this thing out of the box and get it installed on Supercar Street Racing. Guys, directly in front of you right now on Supercar Street Racing, you have the Linkind Smart TV Light Strip with HDMI sync box. This thing works with an app called OBDII. It is compatible with most smart home systems. This has TV sync, music sync, and preset colors, and can also sync to other Linkind devices or OBDII devices. You can see right here, this one is up to a 90-inch TV. And on the side here, it does show you the model number, shows you what's included in the box. So it works with things like a TV stick, a cable box, and things like that. And on the back, it shows you once again how it does TV sync, music sync, and preset colors. Delay-free performance here, and it does use both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It does not use a camera like the Govee stuff does, so it provides more privacy. It's saying that is a more secure model. Now let's go ahead and get this thing directly out of the box now and see what's inside. We're going to go ahead and unbox the Linkind TV Light Smart Strip with HDMI sync box. Let's see what's inside the box. All right, the first thing inside of the box is the HDMI controller. We can pull that right out and take a look here. It's inside of a little package here. It does say Linkind. It's got a power button on the top and a mode button and a left and right button, and it looks like maybe a reset button there. It's got a DC input on the side for the power. It has a bottom and a top connector for the light strip and an in and out for HDMI, and there is the actual restart button right there. And next up in the box is the power adapter here, and this whole part just does come out like so. Here's the power adapter. It does use the standard pin and hole thing, and it is a wide rectangle brick right there if you're wondering what size it is. This does not use USB power. After that, I am very surprised, and I was wondering, they do provide you with an HDMI cable, which is awesome. Very cool, free HDMI cable along with this. There are some cable management included as well. Looks like we got some power strips, some LED strip clips, and looks like some corner channel things, which are kind of cool. I've never seen those before. I'll be curious to see how those work, and if they do work good, use them again in the future. Corners are always tough with an LED strip, you know, because they don't bend very well. And inside the box here, we have looks like an LED strip in packaging here. There should be two. And that's all that was included with the Linkind LED strip. Now let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing installed on the TV that is literally right behind me. Okay, we're directly behind the television right now that we are going to use, and I forgot this TV does not have an existing LED strip on it at all because we changed TVs out before and I did not put it back on. Now this should be interesting. We are going to be using our Fire TV stick right here to connect to the sync box. The Linkind Smart TV strip does come with 4 corner adapters here. You are supposed to install these 1.2 inches from the outside of the TV. These guys have a sticky 3M back on them, so we're going to start right down here with this bottom corner. This is the second one. They just stick right on like that. Here is the third one. Just guessing, really, more than anything. And the fourth one will be at the very bottom here. Today's sponsor is Mmobiel with their OBDII diagnostic scanner. Now this diagnostic scanner right here allows you to plug into your standard OBDII port on any car and get valuable diagnostic data through an app and it does use Bluetooth connectivity as well. Now this thing's pretty cool because it allows you to check the performance on your car as well. You can create a digital dashboard and put that in your car. Let's say if you have a tablet or extra phone, you can arrange a digital dashboard and check out everything about your car in real time. And it just uses an app. You go ahead and download their app. You connect to the app with Bluetooth from your phone to this OBDII scanner right here. It has a nice power indicator on the front and a link light to let you know that it is linked up with your phone. We want to thank Mmobiel for becoming a sponsor of Supercar Street Racing, and it will have its own separate video about the scanner. But please support the channel by buying through our official links down in the description. As you can see right here, this is the Mmobiel OBDII scanner from Amazon. There will be a link in the description for that. Please buy it there. Okay, the next step is to install the top strip. Basically, it's just telling you to make sure that the strip you install here goes to the top of the actual TV. They give you a generous amount of extra cable on this, so I'm gonna go ahead and unroll a little bit of this. And it is the kind that has a coating on top of it, like a waterproof style coating. Not that this is waterproof, it does not indicate that it is. Now to do this, you simply go like this and your little plug can exit out of the bottom. And these are very good at holding in the strip. I can see already these are designed to kind of go around the strip. And then you peel off your 3M tape and just follow the back. We're just gonna continue up the side of the TV like this. Turning the corner is gonna be a little tricky on any of these because they don't really bend that well, but there's how you do it. You just kind of have to turn. Just like that. You just kind of force it in there like that, and that allows you to start your next run. But this guy is just going to end right here, wherever there's a cut point. Looks like it's going to be right here where the gold is. That's where you cut. I'm going to be cutting right here. Okay, where we have our overlap right here, because our next cut point is right here, we're going to go ahead and cut right here on the copper and route that around the channel and then start our bottom run. I'm going to come out the same place I did with the connector right here. This one does run around the little hump. And I'm turning the corner again, which is the difficult part. But I did get it. If you pull on it too hard before you got enough sticky on there, it will pop out. You now take the Linkind box and you connect your top LED to where it says top on the side of the box. You connect your bottom to where it says bottom. You apply power with their power brick. Okay, let's go ahead and apply power to our box. It did come on that time and the strips are on. Well, let's try to feed it HDMI. I'm gonna put our HDMI box in the input, and that is definitely gonna block the output, isn't it? Oh, maybe not. I'm gonna power this with the television, my USB Firestick. So here's our HDMI cable for output, and it is 100% blocked. If we use this dongle here that came with the Firestick, yes, this will work. So this just places the Firestick enough where you can now get your HDMI adapter in. So we're gonna go from the output there to the input of HDMI input 8 on the television right here. Okay, for the next section of this, we're gonna try moving over to the app. Let's do that now. Okay, we're right here in front of the phone now. We have our AI dot open. We're gonna add a device and see if it can find us. Let's see if we see it under lighting and control. Smart TV light strip. It is blinking. Please turn on Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on. Okay, it did find the strip there. We're gonna go next step. We're gonna go ahead and connect it to Wi-Fi, which you guys can't watch. And now it's trying to connect, and it did work. Assign to room, bedroom. You push done here. That's perfect. Okay, it is upgrading the firmware right now. It's at 100%. Upgrade complete. Okay, we are back on the Linkind smart TV strip now, and right now it is set to TV sync, and you can control the sensitivity here in the app by going to sensitivity. You can do schedules and routines here, but you can also change the mode to music. You can change it to some of the presets, just color. Like there's some presets like Christmas here, which you can see. Let's get the lights off in here. That is one called Christmas. This is one called Romance. And if we go back to TV sync, you will see it does just follow what is on the television here. And you can see it change when the TV changes, which is cool. But you can see here it is responding to the light conditions from the television, and it's not using a camera. So it basically prevents you from having to use an actual camera. And you can see it closely following the background now on the television. I'm gonna put the app on music. I pushed play. And there you have it. It is following the music. Music sync, there's roll, there's energy. This is very cool and lively. And I can change the sensitivity as well. And now remember, this is also controllable via your smart home. Let's take it back on TV sync. And guys, that was a look at the Linkind TV Smart Light Strip. Very cool product. Took me about 15 minutes to install. Now let's throw it back to Brad and take a look at this online. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this comprehensive look at the Linkind TV light strip with HDMI sync box. This thing is pretty awesome. It allows you to just put this on any television that uses an HDMI input, and you can put your device onto the box, and this thing has algorithms that involve scanning all of the content and then producing a very cool effect on the LED strips. Now this is compatible with up to a 90-inch TV. This guy uses the app AI dot, which is available on the App Store, and it is compatible with most smart home systems. You can see right here, it does give you an immersive visual experience, unmatched visual precision with an HDMI 2 sync box. This thing has preset scene mode so you can enjoy an immersive viewing atmosphere for any occasion. Also does music syncing, so that's pretty cool. You can allow it to sync to your favorite music. Even like if you have a video up on TV, this thing can sync to the music. This thing is also able to sync up with other AI dot devices so that it gives you a full immersive space in whatever room you're trying to put this in. We encourage you to go ahead and order through our affiliate links for Supercar Street Racing. Go ahead and support the channel and support Linkind for being a generous sponsor. And that is going to do it for today. Make sure you pick this up and put in the comment how you like the Linkind TV sync box.